Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday, I'm out driving. See, my gauge is all good. RPM's working there, RPM's working here. That's due to the magic box from S&P. I just got gas. VR6 is quiet. Just cruising, man. Just gonna go run a couple of errands, grab something to eat. Taking the car for a little drive. Cruising. VR6 swap is done. We're out here. Just cruising around Dolo. Ain't got nobody with me. So out here cruising. Brakes are working great. I already had to stop short on some idiot earlier today. But it's Florida, it's dangerous out here, so. Hear that sound? Woo! I think it's fun. Steering wheel straight. You can see I can let go of the steering wheel. Gotta come to this turn though right here, so. But been a long time coming to get to this point. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the channel. I know I'm not as detailed as everybody else when it comes down to their YouTube channels, but hopefully I gave you enough information that you need so that when you're doing your MK1, you can get to this point. All right, I'll be back.